Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute zombie Godzilla. So I hope you get to follow along and create your own cute zombie Godzilla. Now to start off with our cute zombie Godzilla, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're just going to make a line that goes down, and then it's going to come up like a check mark. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and down with another little line right here. And I'll make a little line underneath here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up. And we'll make a couple little bumps right here at the top. Then I'm going to draw some smaller little bumps right in here to show his brain. Right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come down. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and it's going to come down here. I'm also going to take this line, I'm going to bring it back up to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down, and that's going to come down a little farther. And I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and I'll put a couple little bumps here. Then I'm going to bring it right up to here. Next, we'll just add a couple little teeth on the top and a few on the bottom here. We'll make a little black dot for the nose. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come up like this. Starting here, let's draw a little line that comes down. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out, and it's going to go down like this. A little line that comes up, and a little line down and up, and one more that's going to go down and up. I'm going to make a little line that goes over like this. Starting here, I'm going to make another little line that comes down, and then we'll draw his leg. Right here, we'll draw a little line that's going to curve down. Make a little line that's going to go down and over. Another one that's down and over. And one more that goes down and comes back for the feet. Then I'll bring a little line that's going to come up, and a little curved line here. Starting here, I'm going to add another little line that comes down. I'm going to put a couple little bumps in here, and then we're going to curve it down. Then we'll draw a little line that's going to go down, and then it's going to come all the way back here. We'll add a little curved line here for another toe. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, put some more little bumps in here, and then we'll bring it right down to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down for a spike. I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to make this one kind of look like it's been broken, so I put some zigzag lines on there. We'll make another kind of pointed 3-point one. We'll do a couple more here. We'll do one here, and then a little tiny one at the end of the tail. Now, right here, I'm going to make two little lines that come down. And I'm going to put two bumps on here to make it look like there's a bone kind of sticking out. And then we'll bring this line up with a little line here. Then we'll put a little squiggly line here. Right here, I'm going to draw the little line that's going to go down, and we're going to bring it down farther. We'll come up and down, up and down. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. We'll bring it down to the leg. And then we're going to bring it all the way down here to the tail. Then I'm going to add a couple quick little lines on here for a little bit of detail. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a line that comes down. I'll make it a little wiggly. I'll come up and I'll make it wiggly again. We'll draw some lines that go down and up in here to make it look like we can see some of Godzilla's ribs. Make a little line that's just kind of wavy down here for some drool. Then I'm just going to make a couple more kind of little bumpy lines in here to make it look like there might be some patches missing of him. I'm going to add some little dots in here too. Do a couple on the tail. Just some more kind of wiggly lines. I'm also going to add a couple little lines that go down with a couple lines across to make it look like there are some stitches on them. So we'll do a couple more here. Then we can always add a couple little hashtag marks to just kind of make it look like he's kind of dirty. Do a couple up here too. And then I'm just going to add maybe a couple more little bumps onto parts of the arm. Make a couple little lines on the spikes too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little zombie Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.